Hello guys and welcome to Syma vlogs. Today I am going to show you my Syma S37 3D full functional helicopter 2.4G with my remote, but it works, but it does not work. It works but its battery does not work, so it has a battery problem, but it is really very fine. Look here, it has a motor. Here also it has a motor. Here all its parts are very nicely assembled, and here is remote. It's very big. Syma. Here is 2.4G. So guys, this is my Syma helicopter and its battery problem. I will show you its battery. Here it has a battery problem, so it cannot work, but it's all nice. This is the part of this, so I'll assemble it. It is very nice. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and also press that bell icon. So bye bye guys, have a good day ahead. Okay, bye.